This is corrugated stainless steel tube, also known as CSST, and specifically the one I'm holding today is AmigaFlex TracPipe, and it's an excellent alternative to traditional copper or steel gas pipe. But what makes this product so unique? If you didn't know already, it's super flexible, and that means it can be shaped by hand. And because it can be shaped by hand, it means it can be installed continuously with need for minimal fittings. Installers are choosing CSST because it's up to about 3 times faster than traditional copper, and more time saved means more money saved for both the installer and the customer. TracPipe CSST can be buried directly in the ground or into screed, just like copper or steel pipe. But unlike copper, however, there's no need to do any hot works on site, and that just makes it safer and easier to install. As I've said, it's made from stainless steel and it's covered by this yellow jacket or sleeve, and that's for added protection as well as being a really clear gas identifier. Take care when handling the end, as it may be sharp. When cutting, ensure you use a CSST cutter. The difference being it's got nice smooth rollers, and that means that the CSST cutter won't get stuck in the grooves or the corrugations on your CSST. Also comes with a nice large cutting wheel, and the one I have today is by Nerad Tools. AmigaFlex TracPipe is available in kits, in lengths and in coils as well. Lengths can be cut to order as specified on our website, so go over there and have a look. There is a 5 meter length minimum order. We also have coils like this one, and they're available in a wide variety of sizes. And our TracPipe is supported by a range of fittings as well. So we've got everything that you may need for a job, everything to suit you and your needs. We also sell complete kits. If you're interested in a complete kit, we have a video that will be linked at the end where we give you a bit more information on them, and we'll also unbox one for you as well so you can see what's included. We also have a video at the end that will show you the correct technique for cutting CSST, and like I said, that will be linked at the end of the video. And if you're interested in any of our CSST products, head over to pipestock.com now to find out a bit more. And you can also call our team, who would love to help you. We're going to put some helpful links and some further reading from AmigaFlex in the description below, so check that out. It's really, really useful stuff. And if you like the content you've seen today, consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.